What's up guys, I'm going to teach you how to tint a side door of an RDA3. Okay, first you spray a bit of water, get your tint, clear side, your clear side always facing up. Okay, what I do is I cut for the other side as well at the same time. So I have another piece. But this time, the clear side go against the glass, against the window, okay? You have just to turn around, do this. Bring it up down here, please. Use this as a guide. Bottom, cut, okay. So you won't score the pin. Lift it up a wee bit, bring it down, okay. Hold a wee bit against the glass, cut. As you can see, I use this as a guide. So what I have to do is I shift it over, okay? Then I do the same over this side, okay? And then what I'll do is I shift back a wee bit. So I have the same gap in both sides. Okay, do this. I'm gonna use, no, hang on. I'm gonna put the window down a wee bit. About this much. You can see it. But this much, so I can cut the edges. Always a new blade for every window. Don't forget that. What you do is okay, take all the excess, bring up here, put your finger as a guide and you put the blade on top of your finger and then you go, oops, yeah, slides. Okay, all good. And then you trim the edges. Okay, this one. Make sure the edges is always round, never a square. Never a square edge. Okay, same again, this. Okay. And then this side. Okay. Last one. So what do you do now is a bit more water. Put this back on the glass. Remove one and you use for the other side. Okay, I'm just going to stick this on here. Stay there. Okay. Just leave it there. I can do it without shrinking it, but I like shrinking every glass, every window before I apply because it makes it easier for me after. So can you see this? Has to be smooth. Same process as the back window. Okay. Whenever you see the zigzag like that, you push it down. Zigzag, push it down. Again. Okay. Like so. hold on. So I done it. I shrink it this side just to make it easier for me inside. What I'll do is, okay, this is just the water with the baby shampoo. There. What I'll do is, you can use a Brill pad. You won't score the glass, or you can use this. What I'm doing here, I'm cleaning out all the, if something's stuck on the glass, stain, or has to be really, really well cleaned. So this, and you wipe. It's okay if the water drips down from your door cards, because that's just water. Okay, and then clean the corners where you have a lot of dusts. Here, use your rag to clean all around. What do you do is a bit of water again. Okay. Now you peel off the liner. Okay, like this. You apply like that. Just be careful you don't crease here, okay? Be careful. Once you creased it, you don't want it anyway. Okay, like that. And then water again. So make it, and squidge the water out like that. Make sure you don't leave it too much gap up there. Just leave enough. I think that's a plenty. Make sure you don't leave away above the edge, because it can catch up here and start to peel off. So do this. You can dry up here if the tints start to move, but this one is quite steady, it's okay. Then lift it up. Water. Always hold with your hand, the other hand, so the tint don't move quite. Like this, and that. Push it down. Here. Here. And you can use the heat gun to dry it inside. So make sure it attaches. Okay. Okay. Now you just clean. Yep, that's one door done. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. That's the back half done of the Audi A3. I just done it. Showing you what way it turned out. Yeah, looks a lot better, doesn't it? Nice. Yeah, thanks guys, I hope you all liked it, and share, subscribe. Bye.